farm animals versus the fox. The power of unity. This story teaches us how strong communities and support systems are developed when we people stick together and help others in need. It was a sunny day on the farm where Hen lived with her fellow animals. Pinky the pig, in the pig pen, Sheep in the sheep pen, and the cow chatting with her friends. Hen was happily settled in her coop, keeping her newly hatched chicks warm under her wings. Cheep, cheep, the cute fuzzy chicks chirped as they explored their surroundings. Fox was secretly watching the chicks from the edge of the farm, hoping to gobble them up. Rooster kept watch on Fox's movements and decided to protect the chicks. Seeing the danger, Cow and Sheep came forward to block the fox. "You won't get those chicks," Sheep said. But Fox is not leaving. Just then, Rooster came flying out of nowhere and attacked Fox fiercely with his beak and claws. "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" Rooster crowed loudly as he pecked and scratched at Fox, driving him away from the chicks. Fox ran away, yelping in pain and defeat. The farm animals had worked together to protect Hen and her chicks. Moral of the story: togetherness keeps everyone safe and wins the day. The chicks were saved because the farm animals came together, not because they were strongest alone. Likewise, human compassion and teamwork make us powerful protectors against life's foxes. Thanks for watching Boo Boo the Kids channel. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share the video to your friends.